Hi, hello, very good morning. Once again, welcome back to the session, everyone. I hope you all are doing good with your preparation. So, and forth to the exam CAT 2021, we have this one inevitable topic called simple equations. So we'll try to do that in this session and the next session as well. Before getting into that, let me quickly introduce about myself. If you are watching my videos for first time, my name is Kabilan. I'm a mechanical engineer with 3 years of teaching experience in the field of management exams. I've also converted various engineering student of management. So if you personally like my videos and stuff, you can also follow me on the Unacademy Learning app. This is my user ID, and also you can personally ping me on the Telegram channel at Unacademy_Kabilan, where you'll be getting all my lively updates and schedules, and you can also ask your personal queries, doubts, and clarifications regarding CAT 2021. Okay, so we have this CAT T20 Test Series happening. It started from 22nd of March, so it is happening every day from Monday to Saturday, all the weeks, and 10 questions will be there for each day. You'll be given 30 minutes. So if you try to top the test series, you can win exciting rewards every day. Worth rupees 18,000 in March, and most importantly, the complete detailed analysis from Monday to Saturday will be discussed on Sunday. Okay, this is one beautiful test series, guys. You can literally take it out and get win exciting prizes, and more importantly, we have this weekly scholarship test happening every week. So the next combat, it goes live on the 4th of April, timing exactly at 12 p.m. So you can register now for free just by using my unlock code KABI10. So the most important thing is it's going to be undoubtedly the India's largest scholarship test for CAT exam, and it's going to be super fast and fun with all India leaderboard, where you can identify and improve your weak areas through the detailed video solution that we provide. Okay, so undoubtedly you can take it up. So next combat challenge, it is happening on the 4th of April. Live it is, the time sharply at 12 p.m. Okay, that is on Sunday, and we have this iconic batch for CAT 2021. So with that, you will be given a personal mentor. He'll be guiding you throughout your preparational process, and also the mentor will be a graduate from top P school. Okay, so a proper test analysis and reports will be made, and we'll be concentrating on OMETs as well, that is for other management entrance test preparations as well. Okay, so all the benefits of plus will be included, and here we have the students who aced CAT with 20 flying colors. And there's one beautiful feature called Ask a Doubt, where in Unacademy Learning app, if you haven't downloaded it, kindly download it from Google Play Store. You can see this Ask a Doubt option here. Whenever you have a question which you encounter a doubt with that, you can simply take a picture of it, crop it down to the specific question, and kindly don't forget to mention under which subject it belongs. For example, if you have doubts in simple equations, you mention it in quantitative aptitude, and it will, send it to us. So sit tight, you'll receive the solution soon after sending. Okay, and here we have the students who aced CAT 2020 with flying colors, and if you aspire to be one for the next year, that is for 2021, then you can quickly enroll in our batches that are starting on the 1st of April. That is for the late night weekday batch 4.0 for CAT 2021. 1st of April, it is the BARC Expert 2.0 for CAT 2021 intermediate batch. And the 3rd April, it is the Champions Batch 2.0 for CAT 2021. So guys, these are the batches which are kickstarting. You can quickly enroll in any of the batches which are really flexible for you. And with that, we'll quickly enter into the very first question of today's session. Come on. So this is my first question. So the cost of 9 pizzas, 7 burgers, and 15 choco shakes is 31,780 rupees. And the cost of 4 pizzas, 3 burgers, and 7 choco shakes is 14,880 rupees. What is the cost of pizza, burger, and choco shake? Come on, guys. This is your first question. Try to do this. Get me the right option out of it. 11 go ahead. So they say here the cost of 9 pizzas. So it is 9 pizzas plus 7 burgers plus 15 choco shakes. This gives you a total cost of 31,780 rupees, right? This gives you a total cost of 31,780. And the cost of 4 pizzas plus 3 burgers plus 7 choco shakes, it gives you a total cost of 14,880, right? So guys, listen very carefully. Let me take this as equation 2. Let me take this as equation 1 and 2. Now here if you see, you have 3 variables. That is, you have P, B and C. That is pizza, burger and choco shakes. But you have only 2 equations. So if at all, if you want to find what is the cost of 1 pizza plus 1 burger plus 1 choco shake, so how to find it exactly? So normally if you have 3 variables, you need to have 3 equations so that you can solve and get the value of 1 variable and try to find the other 2. That's how it works. But in this question, you have been given only 2 variables and you are asked to find what is the actual cost of 1 pizza, 1 burger and 1 choco shake, right? So if you're attending the live session, kindly give me a hi, come on, and feel free to answer the question for the first question. Come on guys. So how to find this, guys? Any idea that you can get it here? So what I can simply do now, if at all, if I want to find what is the amount of 1 pizza plus 1 burger plus 1 choco shake, let me take this equation 2. Let me take this equation 2. And if at all, if I try to multiply this thing into 2, if I try to multiply equation 2 into 2, what I'll be getting here exactly? 4 into 2, it's going to be 8 pizza plus 6 burger plus 14 choco shakes is equal to 14,880 into 2, right? If you try to do this, it's going to be 29,760. Now what I can do from this, let me take this as equation 3 now. So if at all, if I try to do 1 minus 3, if at all, if I try to do 1 minus 3, yeah, so this goes what? 9p minus 8p becomes 1p plus 7p minus 6p becomes 1p plus 15c minus 14c becomes c, which is equal to, now if you try to subtract it, what I will be getting here exactly, it's going to be 0, 2, 0, so the answer for this question is undoubtedly option 3. 2020 is the actual cost of 1 pizza, 1 burger and 1 choco shakes. That's it. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Whether it is cannot be determined, Krishnakant. Yeah, I've got it, no? See, logically, if you see, you have 3 variables and 2 equations. But if at all, if I want to find what's the value of 1 pizza plus 1 burger plus 1 choco shakes, I simply did it, but I simply multiplied the second equation into 2 on both sides and then I subtracted it from the first, right? I'll be getting here exactly. Is that clear? Just give me a thumbs up, guys, if you're clear with this. Come on. We'll go for the next question quickly. Yes. Cool. Next question. So at a certain shop, Baxter can buy 3 apples, 7 bananas, and 1 chocolate for rupees 120 exactly. Fine. At the same place, it would cost rupees 164.5 for 4 apples, 10 bananas, and 1 chocolate. Fine. So you need to find how much would it cost for 1 apple, 1 banana, and 1 chocolate. So let me just give you the options as well. Yep. So let me give you the option A to be 21, option B 31, option C 41, option D 1. So these are the respective options for the question here. Come on, just try to do this, guys. Again, if you see in a certain shop, Baxter can buy 3 apples plus 7 bananas plus 1 chocolate is equal to rupees 120. Like in the same way, he has bought in the same place 4 apples plus 10 bananas plus 1 chocolate to be 164.5. So let me take this as 1 and this as 2. Now you want to find how much would it cost for 1 apple plus 1 banana plus 1 chocolate. How much does it cost? Come on, guys, just try to do this. So what I can simply do, if I try to subtract 1 minus 2, if I try to do 1 minus 2, what I'll be getting here exactly? So if I try to do 2 minus 1, subtracting 1 from 2, right? If I try to do that, 4a minus a will give you a, and 10b minus 7b will give you plus 3b, which is equal to c gets cancelled. So you'll be getting 44.5. So you have got the value of a plus 3b is equal to 44.5. And if I try to multiply this thing, let me take this 3. And if I try to multiply 3 into 4, okay, if I try to multiply 3 by 4, what I'll be getting here exactly? I'll be getting 4a plus 12b is equal to 44.5 into 4. If you do, it's going to be 178. Okay, guys, I took this as equation 3, and if I try to multiply by 4, so let me take this as equation 4. Fine. If I take this as equation 4, so listen carefully. In this fourth equation, and subtracting 2 from it, if you try to do 4 minus 2, this is 4, this is 2, right? So what you'll be getting here, 4a minus 4a gets cancelled, and 12b minus 10b is going to be 2b, and minus c is equal to 178 minus 164.5 you do, you'll be getting 13.5. So if I take this as equation 5, okay, if I take this as equation 5, so now listen very carefully. Now if I simply do subtract 3 minus 5, listen very carefully guys, if I try to subtract 3 minus 5, this is equation 3 and this is equation 5, so it's going to be A, and 3b minus 2b, it's going to be plus b, and this becomes what? Minus, right? Minus into minus plus. So ultimately 44.5 minus 13.5 you do, will be getting 31. So the answer for this question is absolutely option B. The cost of one apple, one banana and one chocolate, it's going to be option B, 31 rupees. Come on guys, give me a thumbs up if you're clear with this. Yes, we'll go for the next question. Yes, Krishna Kant Thakre. Mera exam second shift. Okay. Cool, all the best man, do well. Make sure you have a calm and composure at the time of exam, and try not to get tensed easily, okay? So don't be vulnerable, and most importantly, try to make sure you have that calm and composure, okay? So that really works. We'll go for the next question, come on. That is, if x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 72, and 2x plus y plus 5z is equal to 72, and 3x plus 5y plus 2z is equal to 72. You need to find what is the value of x plus y plus z. Okay? Guys, you have been given 3 equations. You need to sort out these 3 equations and get the value of x plus y plus z, what it is exactly. Okay? So, let me take this x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 72 to be equation 1. And I take this 2x plus y plus 5z is equal to 72 to be equation 2. And again 3x plus 5y plus 2z is equal to 72 to be equation 3. Okay. Guys, you have got 3 equations and you are asked to find what is the value of x plus y plus z. Come on, just go for it. Try to make sure you get it right. Listen very carefully. You have been given 3 equations. So you need to sort out these 3 and get the value of the 3 variables, the value of x, y and z. So if you try to individually find what is the value of x, what is the value of the variable z, and what is the value of the variable y, it will take much of the time. So what you can simply do, you just simply try to sort out, make it. If you try to add these 2, let's say, if you try to add equation 2 and equation 3, okay, listen carefully. So if I try to do 2 plus 3, what I'll be getting? 3 plus 2 is going to be 5x plus 6y plus 7z is equal to 140. So let me take this as equation 4. Fine. So now what I can simply do here, if I try to subtract 4 minus 1, if I try to subtract first equation from the fourth equation, that is 5x minus x, it's going to be 4x. 6y minus 2y, it's going to be 4y. And 7z minus 3z, it's going to be 4z, is equal to If 72 goes out from 144, it's going to be 72 again. And so you are asked to find what is the value of x plus y plus z. So we can do what? Simply divide this by 4 on both sides. If you try to do so, you'll be getting exactly x plus y plus z to be 72 by 4. If you do, you'll be getting it as of 18. So the value of x plus y plus z is 18. That's it. Cool. Is that clear, guys? Just give me a thumbs up if you're clear. Yes. Is that clear for everyone? Yes. Come on, give me a thumbs up, guys. Those who are watching live. We'll go for the next one. Try to do that. I'll give you the options as well for this question. So option A, it is 7, option B, it is 11, option C, it is 9, and option D, it is 13. Okay. So these are the respective options for the given question. Try to do this. That is, the difference between a 2-digit number and the number formed by reversing its digits is always divisible by what? So first we need to understand what exactly they're asking here. If you try to listen, understand this question, the difference between 2-digit number. First of all, let me take a 2-digit number. Okay. So normally a 2-digit number will be like in a format of what? 10x plus y. How it is exactly? Listen. Here, y is actually the unit digit and x is actually the 10th digit, right? So y is the unit digit and x is the 10th digit. So normally you would represent a 2-digit number to be 10x plus y, right? So if I take this to be a 2-digit number, no, they are telling you that the difference between a 2-digit number and the number formed by reversing its digits. So this is actually my 2-digit number. So if I try to reverse it, what I'll be getting if I try to reverse, if I put the digits ulta, that is y goes for the 10th digit and x comes to the units digit, it's going to be 10y plus x. So this is the number formed after reversing. After reversing the digits. Fine. Okay, if that is the case, they are telling you that the difference between the 2-digit number, that is 10x plus y, minus the number formed reversing its digit. This is what the number which is being formed. 10y plus x. This gives you, it's always divisible by what? That's your question. So first of all, let me try to find it. So listen, this implies 10x minus x, it's going to be 9x. And minus 10y plus y is going to be minus 9y. So what ideally you'll be getting here? If you take 9 common outside, you'll be getting x minus y. So listen very carefully, guys. The difference what you have got is absolutely the multiple of 9. The difference what you have got is absolutely the multiple of 9. So if it is a multiple of 9, then I can confidently say that this difference, the difference what you have got when you try to reverse a 2-digit number, and if you take a difference out of the original and 2-digit reversed, you'll be getting the number absolutely divisible by 9. Why? Because the difference what you have got is a multiple of. If it is a multiple of 9, then definitely it should be divisible by 9. That's what it means. Yeah. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Come on, give me a thumbs up if you're clear with this question. And a very important concept to remember. Yeah, very important. So we'll go for the next question. I think next question is more of the same thing. Again, a same thing, but slide a bit. It has been for the 3-digit number. Come on, go for it. Go for the 3-digit number. Let me give you the options as well for the 3-digit. Try to do that. Everything is exactly the same, but in this case, it is a 3-digit number, right? So what we can do exactly here, listen, the difference between a 3-digit number. First of all, let me take a 3-digit number. Okay. So in a 3-digit number, I'll be having units place, tens place, and hundreds place, right? So if I take 100x plus 10y plus z, where this to be the original 3-digit number. Listen, here z is the units digit, y is the tens digit, and x is the hundreds. So you have got a original 3-digit number here, and if at all, if you try to reverse it, what you'll be getting here? See, for example, if I say 2 and 8, and if I want to reverse it, what it is going to be exactly 8 1. So, which is very clear that your tens digit will not change. Only the hundreds place and units place will get altered, right? So, if that is the case, then it's going to be 100z plus 10y plus x. So, this will actually be the reversed number of a 3-digit number, right? Now, what do? You are asked to find the difference now. So if you take 100x plus 10y plus z minus 100z plus 10y plus z. If you try to do this, 100x minus x will give you 99x, plus 10y minus 10y will get cancelled, and z minus 100z will give you minus 99. So listen very carefully. If I take a common of 99 outside, I'll be getting x minus z. So listen very carefully, guys. You have got a difference which is actually a multiple of 99. Okay, if that is the case, then what probably I can do here? So if that difference is a multiple of 99, the difference will always be divisible by 9, 11, and 99. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up if you're clear with this. So the answer is that it is divisible by, always divisible by 9, 11, 99, and it can also be it can also be 3, 33, right? It can also be 3, 33, and it goes on. 33 is actually anything but what? Multiple of 11. So it's 11, right? So this is actually the difference divisible by the digits, right? Next question for you. Try to do this, guys. The difference between a 2-digit number and the number formed by reversing its digits is 36. You need to find the sum of the digits is 12. They have given you the sum of the digits is 12. You need to find what is the product of the digits. Fine. Come on, guys, try to do this. So we'll try to do this quickly, guys. Listen. The difference between a two-digit number and the number formed by reversing its digit. As we know, we have taken the two-digit number to be 10x plus y. And if I try to reverse it, I'll be getting 10y plus x. Fine. So the difference, what I've got here actually, I've got the difference to be 10x. So it's going to be 9 times of x minus y. This is what the difference which I got, that is equal to 36. So from this, if I try to divide this goes exactly 4 times, and I got the value of x minus y to be 4. And they have given you the sum of the digits is 12. So which means x plus y is equal to 12. Take this as 1, take this as 2. And if you simply do what is 1 plus 2. So this is going to give you 2x is equal to 16 and the value of x is equal to 8. So if x is 8, try to substitute in equation 1, you'll be getting the value of y is equal to 4. And what is the exact number here then? It's going to be they're asking you what is the product of the digits. So the product of the digits is nothing but 8 into 4 you do. You'll be getting it as. The answer it is exactly option 3. 32 is actually the product of the digits. Is that clear? We'll quickly go for the next question. Come on. Next one for you. When you reverse the digits of the number 12 and the number increases by 9. Okay. How many other digits, other two-digit numbers increases by 9 when their digits are reversed? It's a very important question. Yeah, very important question. So we'll try to do this. First of all, you try to do this and get me the right option out of it. If you have got this already, come on. So guys, what they say here, when you try to reverse the digits of the number 12, if you try to reverse 12, you'll be getting 21. So exactly, it increases by 9. That is 12. When it increases by 9, you're getting 21. Like in the same way, you need to find the numbers where and all if you try to reverse it and it should be increasing by 9. You need to find how many other two-digit numbers are there where it increases by 9. Okay. So let's try to do this. Listen carefully. What we can do exactly. The reverse number, can I say the reverse number is actually equal to the original number plus 9. Is that fine? Right? From this, can I say reverse number is actually what? If I take the original number to be 10x plus y, then the reverse number will be, it's going to be 10y plus x. So can I say 10y plus x is equal to the original number 10x plus y plus 9? Yeah. So if at all, if you try to do this, if you take 10x and 10y this side, so it's going to be 10y minus y, 9y minus 9x is equal to 9. Right, from this, can I say y minus x is equal to 1 if I try to take 9 common outside and divide it by the right hand side? So I've got y minus x is equal to 1. So guys, let me go for the trial and error now. So what I can simply do, if at all, if I take y is equal to 9, then the value of x has to be 8 so that you get 1. Right, so that you get 1. You need to balance this equation. If you put y, the maximum value for y will be 9, x will be 8, so that 9 minus 8 will be 1. So the actual number will be what? 89. Like in the same way, if you put y is equal to 8, then x will be equal to 7, and then maximum number will be 78. If you put y is equal to 7, x will be 6, so that it's going to be 67. If you put y is equal to 6, x will be equal to 5, so it's going to be 56. And if you put y is equal to 5, x is equal to 4, it's going to be 45. And y is equal to 4, x is equal to 3, it's going to be 34. And y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, and it's going to be 23. And we have already put y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. So that's get ruled out. So how many numbers you have totally? You have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer for this question is going to be option 3. You have 7 other 2-digit numbers. When you try to reverse the digit of the number, the number increases by 9. That's how it is. Okay. Very simple question, guys. Nothing to complicate here. So hopefully in the next session, we'll try to do a lot more interesting questions regarding the same thing. Okay. So until then, it's a bye-bye. See you.